Let's get started, and let's start at the very beginning, getting logged into your DonorDock account. Your URL name is your organization name.donordock.com. Go ahead and save that URL. We will share it for you as well, so you have that, bookmark it, and so you can have easy access to get logged in. Once you do, you will see your organization name here, and you can populate your email and your password. If you've ever forgotten your password, go ahead and click Forgot Password, and the system will send you an email to reset that password. All right, let's go ahead and get logged into our Dream Kids account. Once you're logged in, I encourage every new user to navigate up to the grid in the upper right-hand corner, which is your settings menu. You can then navigate to My Profile. This is in the You section. Once you click on My Profile, you will have the opportunity to edit your name, your email that's associated with the account, and then also you can put in your mobile number and verify that number for our 2FA. So we do require two-factor authentication. You can do it via email, or if you verify your text messaging number, you can do it via text message as well. Each user can also personalize their own email signature as well. Another important part is how many rows of data you can see on the screen at a time. Here, as each user, you're able to select if you want to see 10, 25, 50, or 100 rows per page. That's contact lists, reports, gift lists, everything that you might see in a list before you have to click next page. You'll also notice that you have your action board configuration. The action board is a great place to keep all of your to-dos and focus on what matters most. And you can actually do that by enabling or toggling off, disabling our smart nudges from the system. We have nudges called the Daily 5. This is a great one that brings up 5 people from your database just to keep it active. If they haven't been interacted with for a while, you can complete 5 of those interactions right in our Daily 5 on your action board. You can also be notified of a donor's first gift, their second gift, or if it meets your organization's major gift amount. We also have a great one called a spike up gift. The system can alert you when a donor increases their gift size. Again, that spike up amount is set by the administrators in your system. We can also look at the stages and changes that our donors are going through. If one of our donors is becoming lapsed, the system will nudge us to reach out. If that lapsed donor donates and becomes reactivated, we can nudge you as well with suggestions. If you want extra suggestions, you can always ask Otto for help as well. We also track birthdays, pledges, and a really fun one is the anniversary of your donor's first gift, which we like to call a gift-iversary. Once you have selected which nudges you want to receive, you can also scroll up and make sure that you're getting notified of the things that are happening in the system. We know you wear a lot of hats, so you can keep up to date on what's happening. You can receive gift notifications. You can even select a certain amount and higher if you want to. You can also get those new action board notifications right to your inbox. And our action board that we'll explore later is also collaborative. So you can also be notified if someone assigns you an action or a task on your action board. You can stay up to date with extra email notifications right from the system.